Hello, this is Peter Lin. Today we are going to talking about advantages of EVA interlayer film compared to PVB interlayer film. What's wrong with PVB film? However, PVB interlayer film is very sensitive to moisture, which makes it difficult to store and process. It requires high standard of processing condition room to care about the humidity. Advantages of making laminated glass with EVA film compared with PVB film. EVA interlayer film is less sensitive to moisture, and EVA interlayer film can be processed in a common room condition, no special requirements. EVA interlayer film is better at flowing mobility when heating and melting in the oven, so it is better for laminating with inserts like papers, PET silk, violet fabric insertion. 3. EVA interlayer film is good at aging resistance. The aging resistance can last more than 15 years. That's why EVA film is chosen for solar panel encapsulation laminations. 4. EVA interlayer film is stronger and adhesive with various materials, for example, PVB, acrylic, PET, metals, plastic, etc. 5. EVA glass laminating line is easier and less cost to install. PVB glass laminating is mainly working in bigger autoclave. It's not suitable for the company to make small quantity creatively designed Arctic laminated glass for special requirement of different customers. PVB glass laminating machine is a large investment. Which would be a barrier for a new company who are interested in laminating glass world. Can EVA film replace PVB film? Yes. Here are two proofs. Proof 1. International Safety Laminated Glass Standards. The glass lamination EVA interlayer film is recognized as a safety interlayer film for safety laminated glass only if the EVA film passes the same test as PVB interlayer film. And proves 2. Glass lamination purpose. EVA interlayer film can pass the tests which are required for laminated glass with PVB interlayer film, like high temperature resistance test, radiation resistance test, humidity resistance test, or impact peeling test, short back impact test, etc. And if you have other questions, or if you want to order EVA film, please simply send us an email and you may expect answers in 12 hours. Please contact Peter Lin. Our mail address is cnc@cncglass.com. Backup mail address is cnc@cnceva.com. And you can also contact us on WhatsApp, WeChat app, or mobile phone number. Let's review one more time. Today we are talking about the advantages of EVA interlayer film compared to PVB interlayer film. And one disadvantage of PVB film is PVB film is very sensitive to moisture. PVB film is very sensitive to moisture. And there are 5 advantages of making laminated glass with EVA film. First, EVA film is not so sensitive to moisture. You can process EVA interlayer film in a common room condition. Second, the EVA interlayer film is better in flowing mobility, so it's a better choice to laminate it with several inserts. Third, EVA interlayer film is good at aging resistance. It's very good at aging resistance. Fourth, EVA interlayer film is stronger and adhesive with various materials. Fifth, EVA interior film. The machine for laminating glass with EVA film is easier and less cost to install. The EVA glass laminating machine is easier and less cost to install, so it's a good choice for the beginner to involve in safety glass industry. EVA interior film is a good choice for the beginner to start the laminated glass industry business. And there are two proof that EVA can replace PVB. Proof 1, in China National Safety Glass Standard, EVA is recognized as a choice for making safety laminated glass. Proof 2, the laminated glass made with EVA film can pass the same tests for PVB film. The laminated glass with EVA film can pass the same tests like the laminated glass made of PVB film. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions about the laminated glass with EVA film, please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much for your watching.